In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Business Profile URL. Whether you're looking to share your profile with customers or simply wish to ensure it's visible online, getting the correct URL is essential for your business's online presence. To start, head over to your web browser and navigate to business.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to look at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the sign in button. Click on it to proceed. For those of you signing in for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter the Gmail account that's connected to your business. This ensures you're accessing the correct profile. If you've already signed in before using the same browser or device, you'll be automatically directed to your Google Business dashboard, a handy feature that saves you some time. But there's another way too. You can simply open Google and type in your business name or just my business, then hit enter. In the search results, look for your business name and click on View Profile. This will lead you back directly to the dashboard. Now, once you're on your dashboard, there are two ways to get your Google Business Profile URL. Firstly, look over to the right side of your screen. There, beneath the map of your business is a share button. Give it a click, a pop-up screen will appear, and right below you'll find the URL of your business profile. Just click on it and you'll be able to copy it to your clipboard. Another straightforward method involves navigating to the option called Ask for Reviews on your dashboard. When you click it, you'll find a review link which also serves as a URL to your business profile. Beside the link there's a handy copy icon, just click on that to copy the link. Once you have either of these URLs, it's really flexible what you can do next. Use any of these links in a myriad of ways. Share them on your website, embed them in newsletters, or broadcast them through other social media platforms. This way people can easily find and engage with your business. And there you have it, a simple, quick tutorial on how to find and use your Google Business Profile URL to enhance your online visibility. This process not only helps you verify your business's online presence, but also allows you to share your profile with a broader audience, helping to drive engagement and build credibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.